mountains to the sea. It's summer but that water's 42 degrees. Listen to the music singing, keep me rolling free. Watching the river flow, watching the river flow, watching the river flow through my town. A wilderness road for Lewis and Clark back in 1805. The Sacagawea and a faith in God, somehow they all survived. Now it chokes and poisons, so I'm glad they're not alive. To watch the river flow, watching the river flow, watching the river flow through my town. Old man sitting on a river shore, he don't catch as many as he caught before. There's more in the water than you might think. Don't dip the hat to take a drink, but on the beauty of the moonlight on the river when all's asleep. As the towns turn into cities, well, the water turns to gold. And there's contracts signed at the city hall where the water is bought and sold. Our rivers are dancing children that their families want control. Watching the river flow, watching the river flow, watching the river flow through my town. Water for the tubs and the swimming pools and the sprinklers on the lawn, or the nuclear corn washing the car. When the water's gone, we'll buy ourselves more rivers just to keep those faucets on. Watching the river flow, watching the river flow, watching the river flow through my town. Watching the river flow, watching the river flow, watching the river flow through my town.